to Traders. I'm Maria Stradup, and this is the review of crypto analytics from FX.co. It's the 18th of May today, Thursday, and meanwhile, Bitcoin holds the important support level. Ethereum approaches a resistance level, and these 2 days are quite important. There will be several macroeconomic events, so we will discuss the perspectives for both cryptocurrencies. And we will start with an article by Tom Petrenko and Bitcoin. So, the article was written yesterday in the morning. And by the middle of May, we can confidently say that the phrase "sell in May and go away" has fully justified itself. Tom says, and throughout the month, we've been observing a downward corrective movement of Bitcoin, and during pauses, consolidation, and local price pullbacks. We've seen a clear withdrawal of liquidity below 26,600 level, which was mentioned earlier. We've also witnessed the price return above the support zone, which is a bullish signal. However, a combination of fundamental and technical factors suggests that the structure of the uptrend could be disrupted soon, so let's discuss them. Another series of the saga with the global economy's recession has come to its conclusion. Finally, according to a Bank of America survey, market players anticipate a soft landing of the global economy in the next 12 months. And the majority of respondents believe that a recession in the United States can be avoided, which was a positive signal for investors. Meanwhile, a pessimistic sentiment continued to dominate within the crypto market, accompanied by a gradual decrease in trading activity. It's reported that May of this year has become the worst month in terms of trading volumes on centralized exchanges since October 2020. The average commission sizes in the Bitcoin network have also returned to optimal values. On the one hand, this confirms the low trading activity and the interest in the cryptocurrency. On the other hand, it will allow reducing the costs of mining Bitcoin, leading to more actions from miners. Trading volumes and network activity in the Bitcoin market have also dropped to yearly lows. All these facts indicate a significant decrease in investment activity and bearish sentiment regarding Bitcoin. However, in the near future, several events might occur that could change the balance of power in the crypto market. Thus, already today, global markets are expecting important economic statistics in the US labor market. Recently, employment in the US has begun to decline due to worsening liquidity situation, and if the number of unemployed people continues to grow, it's quite possible that the Federal Reserve will adjust its policy and might expect a rate cut as early as this summer. And we will learn about these and other plans of the Federal Reserve on Friday, when officials will share their thoughts on the current economic situation. First and foremost, the markets will be awaiting the department's further plans regarding the key rate. And these events will trigger a volatility spike and may provoke sharp price movements in Bitcoin. And now let's have a look at the chart and see what's happening technically. Bitcoin has definitely completed the process of withdrawing liquidity below 26,600 level. The asset made a sharp leap below 26,000 and swept all the supply in one go, after which it rebounded. Currently, there is a consolidation phase happening under the influence of bears, which is causing a price decline. Meanwhile, bulls are not allowed above 27,800, where sellers continue their attempts, while sellers continue their attempts to break the 26,600 level, which at this stage acts as a key support zone. As of yesterday, the situation is under control, but there is a possibility of a bearish breakthrough the 26,600 level, and this event could significantly strengthen the bearish position and lead to further decline. If it happens, the decline, the structure of the upward trend is threatened, which originates near the 24,600, 25,000 area. And if we look at the indicators, technical metrics, they are flat, which is typical for periods of low trading and network activity. Therefore, the 26,600 level is still standing, but the situation can change. So, making a conclusion, Artem says that the main task for buyers now with this week will be to hold that very 26,600 level. The level has held despite the pressure from sellers, but volatility spikes, and in the next few days would change the situation. And considering this level is crucial for determining the future prospects of Bitcoin. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's 18th of May, and we see Bitcoin again growing. Yesterday, in the second half of the day, from the points about 26,700, 800, it went up. It reached 27,000 and even higher. It opened today at the point 27,369, and now it is trading at the point 27,221. Well, so far it steadily holds, of course, that very support level, 26,600. However, it's still below the next resistance, the bull's aim, 27,800, somewhere in the middle. But as we remember, these 2 days are quite important in macroeconomic events. So let's observe the situation. Okay, and now let's get to Ethereum and another article by Alexander Sifantis. So here on the chart, we can see blue lines, which is bullish channel, and black line, which is bearish RSI divergence. And Ethereum was trading at around 1,818 at the moment of writing, and this is today in the morning. The article is quite fresh, and technically a short-term trend remains bearish as price is making lower lows and lower highs since the 2,140 highs. Medium-term trend remains bullish as price continues trading inside the blue upward sloping channel. So far, price has been respecting the lower channel boundary and the high-low formed on May 12th, and today are considered important short-term support levels. Short-term trend is expected to turn bullish again, Alexander thinks, as price bounces off the lower channel boundary. As long as it holds above 1,740, we expect Ethereum to eventually start a new upward movement that will push price to a new higher above 2,140. Short-term technical resistance is found at 1,830 and next 2020. The 2020 resistance is the most important resistance level in the near term. Breaking above it will increase dramatically the chances of pushing it higher above 2,140. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And of course, we see the same trajectory like Bitcoin. It also went up yesterday in the second half of the day. Ethereum opened today at the point 1,820, and now it is trading at the point 1,816. It is really close to the first resistance, and as we remember, if it overcomes it, it will approach us to the most important resistance, 2020. So we will see. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other in our next review tomorrow. Have a nice day, and until next time.